Students, today we are going to learn about a new topic of chapter 5 trigonometry, and the topic name is distances and heights. Listen the blackboard. Here a boy is standing here, and here is a mango tree, and the man is watching the top of the mango tree, and a man is watching straightly to the mango tree. So this distance is straight view, and also he is watching the top of the tree, and it is the raised view, and the angle is formed here between straight view and raised view, and this angle is angle of elevation. Okay, and this straight view is parallel to the ground. It is the ground floor. Angle between raised view and straight view is angle of elevation. Listen the picture. The angle between the straight view and raised view is called angle of elevation. Okay. Then second one, angle of depression. So here is a lighthouse, and here a man is standing at the top of the lighthouse, and in the water here is a ship. It is the ship, and a man is watching the ship in the water, and it is this view is his straight view, and this view is his lowered view. Then here also an angle formed in between straight view and lowered view, and this angle is called angle of depression. Listen, the angle between straight view and lowered view is called angle of depression. Okay. Now, in your textbook, open page number 119. The first question, a man standing 10 meter away from the foot of a tree sees its top at an elevation of 40 degree. His height is 1.7 meter. What is the height of the tree? Listen, a man is standing 10 meter away from the foot of a tree. So in the question, it is a tree. Consider a tree in a straight line. It is tree, and it is ground floor. Here a man is standing. A man standing 10 meter away from the foot of a tree. So this distance, the distance between man and tree is 10 meter. 10 meter, and man sees the top of the tree. Man sees a top of the tree at an elevation of 40 degree. So angle of elevation means the angle between straight view and raised view. So also draw his straight view. It is his straight view. It is raised view. And this angle is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is 40 degree. And given the height of the man is 1.7 meter. Height of the man is 1.7 meter. So AC is equal to BD, because these two are parallel lines. Therefore, this distance is also 1.7. This distance is equal to the height of the man. So we have to calculate the height, total height of the tree. What is the height of the tree? We have to calculate the total height of the tree. So listen, the ground floor, that is distance between man and tree is 10 meter. Therefore this distance, CD distance is equal to the distance AB. So this distance is also 10 meter. This angle is 40 degree, and adjacent side of 40 degree is 10 meter. So we have to calculate the opposite side of 40 degree. So here we use tan 40 is equal to the opposite side divided by adjacent side. That is tan 40 equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. That is tan 40 degree equal to opposite side is BE. BE divided by adjacent side is AB. That is tan 40 degree equal to BE. Opposite side is not given. So BE divided by adjacent side AB is 10. Therefore, BE equal to 10 into tan 40. Shift this 10 to the left side. So it is 10 into tan 40. That is 10 into tan 40. What is the value of tan 40? Open page number 124. Tan 40 is 0.8391. 0.8391. So 10 into 0.8391 is 8.391. That's equal to 8.4 meter. 8.391 by round up it, so we get 8.4 meter. That is the length of BE is 8.4. This length is 8.4. 8.4 meter. Therefore, the total length of tree is, that is height of the tree is, therefore height of the tree equal to BE plus BD. BE is 8.4, 8.4 plus BD. BD is equal to height of the man, that is 1.7, equal to 8.4 plus 1.7, 10.1 meter. Therefore, height of the tree, height of this tree, that is ED is equal to 10.1 meter. Okay. Next question. A man 1.8 meter tall stands on top of a lighthouse 25 meter high and sees a ship at sea at angle of depression 35 degree. How far is it from the foot of the lighthouse? So first draw a rough figure by using this question. Okay, a man 1.8 meter tall stands on the top of the lighthouse. So draw a lighthouse. This is the lighthouse. And a man is standing top of the lighthouse and the height of the man is 1.8 meter. So man is standing here. His height is 1.8. And the height of the lighthouse is 25 meter. Lighthouse height is 25 meter and a man sees a ship at the sea. It is the ground or it is sea and a ship is here. Man sees a ship at the sea at angle of depression 35 degree. So angle of depression means angle between straight view and lowered view. It is the lowered view, and also draw his straight view. It is the straight view, and angle between straight view and lowered view is 35 degree. This angle is 35 degree. Okay, so we have to calculate how far the ship is from the foot of the lighthouse. We have to calculate the distance between ship and lighthouse. So consider right angled triangle ABC. So here this angle is 90, and what about this angle? This angle is 35 and total angle is 90 degree, and 90 minus 35 is 55 degree. Okay. Then here the height of lighthouse is 25 meter and the height of man is 1.8. Therefore total height is 25 plus 1.8, that is 26.8. This total length is 26.8 meter. Height of lighthouse plus height of man, total 26.8 meter. Now the opposite side of angle 55 degree is AB, and adjacent side of this angle 55 degree is CA or AC. Now by using tan 55, find the length of AB. Okay, tan 55 equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB. AB divided by adjacent side is AC. It is tan 55 degree equal to AB. AB is not given, so AB divided by AC. Length of AC is 26.8. Therefore AB equal to 26.8 into tan 55 degree. That is 26.8 into, apply the value of tan 55. Tan 55 is 1.4281. That is 26.8 into 1.4281 is approximately equal to 1.4. Now multiply 37.68. Therefore, the distance between lighthouse and ship is 37.68 meter. Okay. Next, open page number 122. The first question. When the sun is at an elevation of 40 degree, the length of the shadow of a tree is 18 meter. What is the height of the tree? Sun is at an elevation of 40 degree. So draw first draw the ground floor, and it is the tree. It is the tree and it is the shadow of the tree. And sun is at an elevation of 40 degree, means sun is here and it is at an elevation of 40 degree. That is the angle between straight view and raised view. This angle is 40 degree. It is the straight view and it is the raised view, 40 degree. We have to calculate the height of the tree. Okay. And also given the length of the shadow of the tree is 18 meter. That is, the length of the shadow is 18 meter. That is, here this angle is 40 degree. The adjacent side of 40 degree is 18 meter and the opposite side of 40 degrees is not given. So, we have to calculate the opposite side of 40 degree. Okay. That is using tan 40. Tan 40 is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side is AC. AC divided by adjacent side is AB. That is tan 40 degree equal to AC divided by adjacent side, that is 18. Therefore, AC equal to 18 into tan 40. Now apply the value of tan 40. Tan 40 is 0.8391. That is 18 into 0.8. 18 into 0.8 is 8 8s are 64, remaining 6, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 0, 0. It is 144. 14.4. Length of AC is 14.4. That is, AC is the tree. Therefore, height of the tree is height of the tree is 14.4 meter. Okay. Next question. When the sun is at an elevation of 35 degree, the shadow of a tree is 10 meter. What would be the length of the shadow of the same tree when the sun is at an elevation of 25 degree? First, draw a rough figure. The sun is at an elevation of 35 degree. It is a tree. It is the shadow of the tree, and sun is here at an elevation of 35 degree. This angle is 35 degree. Then what would be the length of the shadow of the tree when the sun is at an elevation of 25 degree? Second angle is 25 degree. Sun is seeing at an elevation of 25 degree. So here the man is moving backward. Now the sun is at an elevation of 25 degree. By moving backward, the angle is decreasing. By moving forward, the angle is increasing. Here 25 degree is less than 35 degree. So the man is moving backward. Okay, and sees the sun at an elevation of 25 degree. That is straight view, angle between straight view and raised view. We have to calculate the total length of AC. That is the shadow of the tree when the sun is at an elevation of 25 degree. Okay. So first, by using this angle 35 degree, calculate the length of AD. And given when the sun is at an elevation of 35 degrees, shadow of a tree is 10 meter. So first shadow, the length of AB is 10 meter. So this length is 10 meter, and by using this angle, first find out the length of the tree or height of the tree. Okay, tan 35 degree equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. Here opposite side is AD divided by adjacent side is AB. That is tan 35 degree equal to opposite side AD divided by adjacent side is 10. The length of AB is 10. Therefore, AD equal to 10 into tan 35 degree. Now apply the value of tan 35. Tan 35 is 0.7002. 0.7002. By multiplying we get 7.002. That is equal to 7 meter. Okay, 7.00 is approximately equal to 7. So height of the tree is, therefore height of the tree is height of the tree is 7 meter. This length is 7 meter. Now by using 25 degree calculate the length of AC. Okay, from triangle ADC tan 25 degree equal to opposite side. The opposite side of 25 degree is AD. So opposite side divided by adjacent side, that is AD divided by AC. That is tan 25 degree equal to AD. The opposite side is 7 meter. That is 7 divided by AC. AC is not given. Therefore, AC equal to 7 divided by tan 25. Okay, that's equal to 7 divided by tan 25 is 0.4663. That is AC equal to 7 divided by 0.46. 46 becomes 5. Okay, so by round up we get 0.5. Here 0.5 is a decimal number. So to remove the decimal, multiply it with the 10. Okay, multiply both denominator and numerator by 10. That is 7 into 10 divided by 0.5 into 10. That is AC equal to 7 into 10 is 70 divided by 0.5 into 10 is 5 equal to 70 by 5 is 5 ones are 5, 20, 5 fours are 20. So 14 meter. That is length of AC is 14 meter. Therefore, length of the shadow AC equal to 14 meter. Okay students, that's all in today's class.